Birmingham blitzed. It was the third most bombed city in Britain, but there was still optimism despite the destruction. The population started rebuilding the city, getting Birmingham back on its feet again. The city hits new heights and a new chapter in Birmingham's history can begin. And with labour shortages across the country, people from around the Commonwealth were invited to help, and they answered. Huge roar from the crowd inside the Alexander Stadium, embracing the 72 nations and territories. That's how much they want to celebrate. I think he may have disappeared for a few days, but he's come back to the party. Enjoying.
Drop your bell, got your black heat and frack. Chocolate cool boy. You tell him now start. Wine your body. Wine and go up. Wine and go down.
Catchy Indian boom shakalak. Next, this has become a Birmingham anthem. From a new generation, it's Punjabi MC, and watch the start for a special cameo from the model, Neelam Gill. With the crowd on stage, the brilliant Bhangra dance group, the Lions of Punjab, alongside the model Neelam Gill and Punjabi MC. Genre was taking off, two-tone and scarf. The front from commentary, the selector with On My Radio. Now, you may have heard of the hit television drama Peaky Blinders. There might have been one or two mentions of it during the Commonwealth Games. It has become a global phenomenon.
Show me what it means to be merciful. Show me what we can celebrate our victories without the fear or shadow of doubt.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far.
Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, where do I start? These are the games which welcomed the Commonwealth to the heart of England, introducing new sports and attracting record crowds. And the games which sought to honour the creativity and the innovation of the founders of our great city. At the Commonwealth Games Federation, Thank you for the gift of the Games. I trust that we have not let you down. A temperature for a heart well above warming. Certainly mine has been there these past weeks. Thank you to you all. You have been exactly how I knew you would be.
Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, everyone here tonight and all around the world. David Dixon Award, not just for outstanding athletic performances, but also a contribution to the team and for fair play. Pumpkin Way of Singapore.
If I told you different, would it sound the same? No matter what's true, say that you don't want me, say that you don't need me, tell me I'm the fool. Say that you don't need me, tell me I'm the fool. Tell me you've been touching, tell me you've been betrayed, what I've done to you. Even if it doesn't matter, all matters to know. Say that you don't love me, say that you don't need me, tell me I'm the fool. Tell me that it's over, tell me that you mean next time it's true.
Will be held.
Join me in doing something life-changing. The Birmingham 2022 Commonwealth Games aims to leave a lasting legacy.
countries and territories of the Commonwealth to gather in 4 years' time in Victoria, Australia, to celebrate the 23rd Commonwealth Games.
And now, Alexander Stadium, the Vice Patron of the Commonwealth Games Federation, His Royal Highness the Earl of Wessex.
Every 4 years, we endeavour to come together to celebrate our Commonwealth through sport. Thanks to the manner, style and enthusiasm with which you have competed, officiated, supported, organised and volunteered.
Tony Iommi, Tommy Kuftov and Adam Wakeman. Plenty of fireworks to go with that performance. What a closing ceremony it has been, and what a games it has been. A joyous 11 days, a stunning sporting spectacle. Undoubtedly the symbol of the games. Huge crowds have been gathering to Birmingham for the games. I'm sure the party will go on into the night. Good luck to the state of Victoria. We will see you in 2026.